Welcome to our exploration of Marbury v. Madison, a case that not only shaped the judiciary, but also the very fabric of American governance. In 1803, the U.S. Supreme Court delivered a landmark decision that established the principle of judicial review, empowering the judiciary to interpret the Constitution and ensuring that no law or government action can supersede it. This pivotal moment marked the beginning of a new in the balance of power among the branches of government. Throughout this video, we will delve into the historical context, the key arguments presented, and the profound impact this case has had on the separation of powers. Join us as we unravel the significance of Marbury v. Madison and its enduring legacy in shaping the rule of law in the United States. Let's begin our journey into this cornerstone of constitutional law. In the early 1800s, the United States was a nation in the throes of political transformation. The young republic was rife with rivalry as Federalists and Democratic Republicans vied for control of the government. This era of intense political tension provided fertile ground for one of the most pivotal moments in American judicial history. Amidst the clamor, a series of events unfolded that would lead William Marbury to the doorstep of the Supreme Court. Marbury, a staunch Federalist, had been appointed Justice of the Peace in the waning hours of John Adams' presidency. However, his commission was never delivered, leading him to petition the Supreme Court for its issuance. This petition was not merely a personal quest for justice. It was emblematic of the broader power struggle between the outgoing Federalists and the incoming Democratic Republicans under Thomas Jefferson. The stakes were high, as the very principles of governance and the separation of powers were being tested. Understanding this backdrop is crucial to grasping why Marbury v. Madison became a landmark case. It was more than a legal dispute. It was a clash of ideologies, a reflection of a nation grappling with its identity and the balance of power within its government. This historical context set the stage for a decision that would forever alter the judicial landscape of the United States. As we delve into the heart of Marbury v. Madison, we encounter a pivotal moment in American jurisprudence. William Marbury, appointed as a Justice of the Peace, found himself at the center of a legal storm. His commission, signed but undelivered, led him to petition the Supreme Court for a writ of mandamus, compelling delivery. This seemingly straightforward demand, however, posed a profound challenge. The Supreme Court, under Chief Justice John Marshall, faced a dilemma: to assert its authority and risk political backlash, or to concede its power and undermine the judiciary's role. Marbury's argument was rooted in the Judiciary Act of 1789, which he claimed empowered the court to issue such writs. Yet, this presented a constitutional conundrum. If the court ruled in Marbury's favor, it would directly confront the executive branch, potentially igniting a constitutional crisis. Conversely, denying Marbury's request could be perceived as a retreat from its judicial responsibilities. In a masterstroke of judicial reasoning, Chief Justice Marshall navigated these treacherous waters with unparalleled finesse. He declared that while Marbury had a right to his commission, the court lacked the constitutional authority to issue the writ. This decision paradoxically expanded the court's power by establishing the principle of judicial review, the authority to invalidate laws that contravene the Constitution. Thus, the ruling in Marbury v. Madison transcended the immediate dispute, laying the cornerstone for the judiciary's role as a co-equal branch of government. It affirmed that it is, indeed, emphatically the duty of the judicial department to say what the law is. This landmark decision not only resolved Marbury's case, but also enshrined the judiciary's power to uphold the Constitution, forever shaping the landscape of American governance. The ruling in Marbury v. Madison resonates through the corridors of American governance, having established a cornerstone for the separation of powers. This landmark decision did more than just resolve a political dispute. It laid the groundwork for a system where the judiciary could assert its authority as a co-equal branch of government. By affirming judicial review, the Supreme Court empowered itself to interpret the Constitution and ensure that no law or executive action could supersede its foundational principles. This profound shift redefined the balance of power among the branches of government. It provided a mechanism for the judiciary to check the legislature and the executive, ensuring that the rule of law prevails over the whims of politics. The impact of this decision is not just historical, but continues to shape the contours of American democracy today. As we reflect on the legacy of Marbury v. Madison, we see its enduring influence in numerous pivotal decisions where the Supreme Court has acted as the guardian of constitutional values. From civil rights to individual liberties, the principle of judicial review has been instrumental in fostering a dynamic and evolving interpretation of the Constitution. The case underscores the importance of a robust judiciary capable of upholding justice and maintaining the delicate equilibrium of power. It is a testament to the foresight of Chief Justice John Marshall, whose words, "It is emphatically the duty of the judicial department to say what the law is," continue to echo in legal discourse. In understanding Marbury v. Madison, we grasp the essence of judicial review as an enduring pillar of U.S. governance, safeguarding the democratic ideals upon which the nation was founded. It is a legacy that reminds us of the judiciary's pivotal role in shaping a fair and just society. As we draw our exploration to a close, let's reflect on the enduring significance of Marbury v. Madison. This landmark decision not only established judicial review, but also cemented the judiciary's role as a co-equal branch of government. It empowered the courts to interpret the Constitution and ensured that no law would stand if it conflicted with this foundational document. Today, judicial review remains a cornerstone of our legal system, shaping the balance of power and safeguarding our democratic principles. As you consider the impact of this historic case, ask yourself, how does judicial review continue to influence our lives and governance today? Thank you for joining us on this journey through history and law. We invite you to delve deeper into the fascinating world of the Constitution and the enduring power of the judiciary. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning.